you're a content writer, a graphics designer, a social media marketing expert, or any type of freelancer who is failing to win more projects or struggling to manage multiple projects in the world of online freelancing, then this video is perfect for you. Hi guys, this is Awais. This video has been created very carefully to cover 8 important reasons why freelancers fail in the world of online freelancing even after trying day and night. Let's move forward. Reason number 1, poor time management. Poor time management can happen due to many causes. Number 1, you have plenty of projects in hand, but you are juggling the project deliveries. As a result, you are missing the deadlines, or maybe you are compromising on the quality of work or overcommitting to your client, which is leading you to burnout. Number 2, you have some really bad habits. Bad habits can be defined as a recurring action you do that typically provides instant satisfaction but often leads to long-term problems, like procrastination or doing the work at the last minute. Number 3, falling into analysis paralysis. Analysis paralysis can be defined as an inability to make a decision due to overthinking a problem. An individual or group can have too much data. The result is endless wrangling over the upsides and downsides of each option and an inability to pick one. Number 4, you are not a full-time freelancer. Now that's not a bad trait, but your client doesn't care whether you are a full-time freelancer or a part-time freelancer. He wants the work done completely and correctly. Reason number 2, poor communication. It goes without saying that communication is one of the most important aspects of any business, project, or any kind of dealing. As a freelancer, if you fail to communicate effectively and spontaneously, then you will fail to build a long-term relationship with your client. As a result, your client might not be interested in working with you in the future. Poor communication can be classified into many branches. Number 1, weak negotiation power. If you can't negotiate with your client, you might end up doing more work for less money, or maybe in some cases, you might charge your client too much, which might drive your client away and he might refuse to work with you in the future. Number 2, lack of effective communication. Effective communication can be defined as the process of exchanging ideas, thoughts, opinions, knowledge, and data so that the message is received and understood with clarity and purpose. If there is no effective and spontaneous communication between you and your client, you might end up delivering incomplete or poor quality of work. Number 3, lack of spontaneous communication. No one likes late responses, especially in the world of online freelancing. Quick and spontaneous communication is very important, else your client might think that you are taking his project for granted. Reason number 3, lack of marketing skills. Marketing is a big, heavy word. Don't panic, I'll explain it to you in very simple words. The word marketing for freelancers mean that you have to promote yourself across the internet. And how do you do that without breaking the bank? Number 1, you don't have a portfolio. In simple words, portfolio can be defined as a collection of your work. You have to display your portfolio on freelancing websites, and you also have to send it directly to your clients. Number 2, your online presence on social media is very weak. In this age and time, socials are really very important. Having a massive presence on social media will not only increase your credibility, but will also connect you with many potential clients. Number 3, you don't give social proof. Social proof can be defined as the psychological concept that people are influenced in their decision making by others, compelling them to act within societal norms or expectations. This means that you should always share your previous work, samples, reviews, achievements with your client. This will definitely increase your credibility and will build a strong foundation of trust between you and your client. Reason number 4, incorrect pricing. There are 2 scenarios for incorrect pricing. Number 1, you are setting the price too low. If you are setting your hourly rate too low, or if you're charging your client too low for any project, then this might result in many financial issues for you. You will be working more, but will be earning less. This might make you think that freelancing is not for you and you might quit immediately. Number 2, you are setting the price too high. If your hourly rate is too high, or if you're charging your client too much for a project on an unreasonable level, this might drive away potential clients. If you think this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Reason number 5, lack of skills. You can win a few projects with limited skills, but with poor skills, you cannot build a long-term relationship with your clients. In short, you cannot fool your client in the longer run with limited skill set. Being a jack of all trades will not enable you to stand out in the crowd. You will have to master and specialize in one particular skill or niche to win more projects and to become the master of one. Reason number 6, depending only on one client. It means you're putting all your eggs in one basket. Even if your client is giving you regular work or projects, it is still not recommended to depend on only one client. What if the client stops giving you projects or replaces you with another freelancer at a very cheaper rate? What will be your action plan in that case? Depending only on one client is definitely a formula for failure. Reason number 7, depending on only one platform. There's a very famous saying by Sean Cannell: don't fall in love with the platform that made you your first dollar. It goes without saying that you should always branch out and explore other platforms to win more projects. Besides just working on freelancing platforms or websites, you should also explore social media platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook groups to acquire more clients and win more projects. Reason number 8, working so hard that you burn out. Freelancing is not an easy part of life. Actually, it's a complete lifestyle with its own ups and downs. If you fail to manage your time or regularly update your skills or have poor communication with your clients, this might lead to stress, fatigue, anxiety, and a complete burnout. Having regular burnouts will definitely lead you to quit freelancing. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next video.